Network Entertainment.
Let me ask you something honestly. Are you tired of your daily routine na feeling mo na parang walang nagbabago? You woke up early or wake up early, you sleep late, you take extra work when if it's available, and you say yes to all the side hustles. Pero pag tinitignan mo yung bank account mo, parang hindi nagmamatch sa effort mo. If that sounds familiar, you got to listen to this episode.
Hi, I'm Chingitan, and you're listening to Chink Positive Podcast, where I aim to equip you to become wealthy and debt-free, teaching you on how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Let's get into the episode.
Hi there, this is Chingitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Alam mo, marami yung conversations na ganun yung parang kinakausap ko yung mga tao, siyempre yung mga kino-coach natin, kina-counsel natin, na they're juggling to many things ba? Sometimes three sources of income, nag-overtime, weekend, wala nang pahinga, pagod lang, at wala pa rin ipon hanggang ngayon. So there's a nagging question that people often ask themselves. I'm doing everything I can, Chinky, but why do I feel stuck? If you're going to be honest with yourself, I do agree, and you will acknowledge probably you have asked the same question. So kung titignan po natin, iisipin po natin, the pattern is always the same. The problem isn't actually effort. The problem is not the motivation. It's not the discipline. The problem is clarity and direction. It's just like pouring water into bucket na may mga butas siya. Feel natin kahit na anong dagdag po natin, dagdag kita, dagdag effort, dagdag disiplina, di ba? Dagdag diskarte, pero wala, may butas pa rin eh. Alam mo, nakakapagod talaga sa buhay. Ito yung na-realize ko eh. Hindi yung napapagod ka, hindi yung nagtatrabaho ka. Yung nakakapagod talaga, yung nagtatrabaho pero ending, wala pa rin. Pero alam nyo, pero napakasarap ng feeling talaga. Kung pagod ka, minsan talaga yung talagang sobrang pagod mo na hindi mo alam paano ka nakauwi. Pero, napaka-rewarding na nangyari, di ba? Yung parang you are well compensated. Mawawala talaga yung pagod eh. And here's the quiet truth. If you are working hard but you don't have a clear system, maniwala ka. Kahit anong sipag at tiyaga mo, mababurnout ka lang. Kasi system don't require you to be intense every single day. Di ba? Kung tama lang yung sistema mo, no? Tama rin ang kikitain mo. Without system, nako, dinadaan mo lang sa sipag at tiyaga. And I want you to be honest with yourself for a moment. Gaano katagal mo na talagang dinadaan sa sipag at tiyaga pero wala ka lang talagang sistema? Alam mo, relate na relate ako sa iyo. There was a time in my life na sobra talaga akong pagod. I turned day into night, night into day. Parang minamindset ko ng sarili ko, hindi, I just need to work harder. Pero you know what? Kahit anong sipag ko, hindi naman yung compensation na ine-expect ko. So in other words, ang na-develop ko lang, pagod na katawan at saka stress kahit ako'y nag-hustle. Until such time, ito na yung turning moment ko, ito na yung turning point ng buhay ko, na kinausap ako ng aking mentor at sinabi niya, Chinky, alam mo problema mo, hindi sa masipag eh, masipag ka eh. Pero mali lang talaga ang diskarte mo. Mali lang talaga ang structure mo. Wala ka talagang sistema. And that is where I discovered yung tinatawag natin na CHIP method, which I was able to experience and create. Ano po tong CHIP method na ito? This CHIP method was the one that really helped me to make a financial breakthrough. 4 lang palang kailangan nating i-master in order for us to be able to achieve financial freedom and financial peace. Number 1, in letter C, is what we call as create. Kailangan marunong talaga tayo gumawa ng pera. If you do not know how to create money, mahirapan ka. H is handle. If you don't know how to handle money, it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. Kahit na kumita ka ng malaki, pero pag hindi ka marunong mag-save, mag-budget to get out of debt, alam nyo, ubos pa rin siya. And then next, letter I, is invest. Because the moment you stop working, you stop earning, but you don't stop spending. Kailangan matuto tayo magpalago ng pera. Pero kahit na magaling ka mag-create, mag-handle, mag-invest, but if you fail to do the most important part, letter P, and that is what? Protect. Protect your hard-earned money. Why should we protect? The reality is this. One critical illness, one hospital bill can wipe out our entire savings. Do you agree? So itong CHIP method na ito yung win-workout ko. So first, I focus on creating, learning how to create more money. Next, handle money, invest money, and protect money. Nung nagkaroon na ako ng sistema, hindi na ako naguluhan. Nagkaroon ako ng guide, nagkaroon ako ng direction, nagkaroon talaga ako ng process and structure. That's the reason why if that worked for me, I know it will work for you. So if you're out there and listening to this podcast and you're saying, Chinky, I want to have that system. If you want to have that system, I'm willing to share and teach it to you. So ang gagawin mo lang, pupunta ka lang sa Facebook account ko, sa may Facebook account with 6 million followers. Kasi ingat lang kayo, marami ako mga posters. And then you just message me, direct message nyo ako doon, sabi mo, I want to learn more about chip method. And then ituturo sa iyo doon. So I want you to think about this later as you finish this podcast. You already work hard. And that's not the question. But the question is, do you have already a system that you can follow, that you can use, just like the chip method? You don't have to stop hustling. You just stop relying on only hard work. You need to build the right system. So next time, I hope when we talk, hindi lang hustle ang kailangan mo. Kailangan mo talagang tamang sistema in order for you to really build longer, stronger, and steadier. So I hope that this enlightened you. And if this enlightened you, I hope that you also share this podcast episode to your friends. As I always say in my program, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.